Grabbing some official Toyota Supra merch at Toyota. We're here to pick up the front bumper for this guy. All right. He's stealing! I don't want people. Yeah, Eddie's old job. 2 stories of tires. This place is it. Well, Eddie, we'll see you in a bit, man. I'm gonna keep running errands, but appreciate that. We'll be back. Beautiful summer day. Okay, I told Eddie I'd be back in like 10 minutes with a car. Fortunately, we have Shane's MDX, which I think should be big enough to fit it, because for a fact, I have no other car here that would fit that awkward shaped box. It probably wouldn't even have fit in the XB, so thank you, Shane. He's over here doing some car things.
Today we're doing a video of Mustang, and oh shit.
Are you vlogging now? Just kidding. What are you up to?
I'm just doing the emblems.
Oh, the stickers?
Yeah.
Sweet. Racer boy things. Got the whole garage to himself. This really needs a wash. You guys might be wondering, why did I even pick up another Supra front bumper? It's just a stock OEM front bumper. Well, it's because, actually, I'll explain it when we get to the garage, but let's go pick up the bumper first. Sweet. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
Look. Yeah, we'll take her out if we need to.
Alright. Oh well, I guess we have to do an unboxing.
Right here.
Right here.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, BMW.
Damn.
Oh, you broke it.
What's that?
Oh no, that's what is that?
Oh, for one of the sensors on the front, I think. It goes like right there.
Oh yeah, looks like it.
Yeah, you want to see my idea?
Yeah.
Actually, I'll show you guys now. Give you guys a small hint. If I can find it, check this.
Oh, the FT1.
Yeah, exactly.
The concept. Oh, I see what you're doing.
So my plan is to literally just,
Bring that look.
yeah.
Like-
I'm gonna like fill in the middle, cut it, make it look,
Oh.
and then get Josh to paint it. So that's my idea, guys. I'm gonna try to make the FT1 concept front bumper, where the middle grille is basically filled in. That'll fit.
Okay. You might have to do it.
Yes, son.
There you go.
Sweet deal. Appreciate it, homie.
Anytime.
We'll see you later. So yes, that's the plan, guys. We're gonna be creating our own FT1 custom front bumper. The bottom trim pieces actually don't come with it, but I'm not gonna need those anyway. Well, possibly, but the way the FT1 front bumper looks, I might have to do something else for that part. We'll see. But I have an idea, and I'll explain more about it when we get to the garage. All right.
Started with cleaning the air filter,
Right.
Canon filter kit, and then I did the overlay for the rear emblem.
Nice.
Ruby red, in case anyone's wondering.
Nice, you're actually making use of the speakers. That's awesome. That's not bad. You can only connect to one of these at a time. Whatever. It's okay.
And I did the front emblem, ruby red,
Oh, nice.
and then the Shelby lettering on the bottom.
That looks good, dude.
I got 2 of
It
them.
makes it a little more racy. Pretty good, Shug.
Thanks, Suge Knight.
Oh, dude, I didn't even notice it says Shelby down there. What's next?
Probably the spoiler or the X-Bite.
Right. And then wheels, of course. Damn. Just imagine these two rolling down your neighborhood. They look so sick side by side. As you can see, behind me we got both BMWs. So that means today we're gonna be having a Beamer day. And I think this is out of batteries. All jokes aside, there's a reason why we have a Supra here. So before we get started on any of the Bondo work, what we're about to do the Supra is, well, in my opinion, something that all European cars should really come like stock. So let's get her on the 2-post. Yes, it is. Oh, she's already too low. I mean, I can just use 2x4s. This is the first time I've brought the Supra into the shop, believe it or not. Well, actually, yeah, this is the first time I've ever needed to do work on the Supra this year. Tomorrow, though, for sure, we're gonna be picking up the tires and finally putting on the AGs because I owe you guys one of, like, my only handful of sponsors. What we have here is a wheel stud conversion kit for the A90 Supra. So what this does is it turns your 14 by 1.25 bolt into a 14 by 1.5 stud. I don't know why European cars don't do this from factory. We also picked up some black lugs, 14 by 1.5, and some thread lock to make sure that these guys stay on. All right, let's get the wheels off. You really want to be careful taking it off the hub. Stuff like this can happen to you where you bend the brake heat shield. So I'm gonna try to bend that back into place and then we can throw on the studs. It's just when I ordered my AGs, I got it before I decided on a wide body. So the fitment for that is meant for a stock body Supra, but we do intend to use spacers. And that's another reason why studs are a better idea, is it gives you more thread coverage. Now obviously it just makes taking your wheels off and putting them on a lot easier. So once you have all of the studs in, what you want to do next is take your torque wrench and a 5mm Allen, and what they recommend is anywhere between 25 to 30 foot-pounds of torque. So you know what? We're just gonna go in between and do 27. And as long as you have thread lock, this shouldn't go anywhere. I don't know why I didn't do this before or sooner. Oh, beauty. The studs I got are way long. I think we need the open-ended, or if we had spacers. It doesn't even fit. That's the furthest it goes in, but there's still so much room. I'm actually gonna see if Wheel Pros has spacers because I needed some anyway. So I quickly ran over to the hardware store. The specific place is called Deals, and I picked up all of these tools for a really good deal. I specifically went on the marketplace to see if I can find an impact wrench, and they had a DeWalt one. The reason why I was looking for DeWalt specifically is because those are the tools we have here, and I'd rather just have one particular brand so that we only use one particular battery. And then all of these guys I got for like a few dollars. Palm sander, the one with a pointy nose. And then at Wheel Pros I picked up, and at Wheel Pros picked up the open-ended lugs, 14 by 1.5 and 10mm spacers. Because I actually think this will bring the wheel out perfectly just so it's flush with the body. Oh yeah, that is way better. Perfect. Show you guys the back fitment. Don't forget to torque your wheels. And we learned the hard way with the E36. And also, just so you guys know, the other day when we were working on this, I reinforced the back of our little triangle cutout creation using actual fiberglass cloth and resin. So we're probably gonna finesse this and then we'll respray paint it black just so it doesn't look like a piece of cake was cut out of it. But that's not bad, guys. Taking the liberty of putting the spot filler and sanding it down so it's completely smooth. And now we're gonna take our flat black primer and we're gonna paint it. spray paint the back, clean it up. So the PTG kit is all off the car, and I practically finessed all of the broken pieces that needed our attention. For the next few days, we're just gonna be working on cleaning this up. Basically prep it for wrap, which we've done today. And look at the custom opening that we made for the gas lid. Just line this up. Ta-da! I mean, it still looks really clean. Like, for our beloved A90, we're finally gonna be working on performance. So right now I'm just waiting on a charge pipe, and we're finally gonna boot mod this thing, try to unlock some more horsepower. So once we finished phase 1 of how she's supposed to look, and all of the bolt-ons we can do at this point are on, then we can finally get it tuned, bring it to my buddy's dyno machine, and get some real numbers for you guys. This was supposed to be our supercar killer. That. Actually not that thing, that one's twin turboed. Unless... Right, homies, I think I'm gonna just end this video right here. Appreciate you for watching as always, and appreciate you for being you. We'll see you on the next vlog. Ciao.